Today, I'm teaching you guys how to add editor to your Facebook page. It's pretty simple. First, you want to click on menu at the bottom right of your screen and make sure you're inside your Facebook page. Alright, so right now I'm using my Facebook page account. So once I'm inside my Facebook page account, I can click on setting at the top right, and inside a setting, you can see the first option called page setting. Click on page setting. It's going to show you all these options. From this option, scroll a bit down until you see this one called page access. Click on page access. Now over here, what you want to do is click an add new button over here at the top, where it says people with Facebook access. Right beside that, the add new, click on it, and it's going to show you this. So just click on next. It's basically like telling you, these are the things you could do. So if you want to know what things like an editor can do, you can read that over here. You can search a person using their email, or you can just search using their Facebook name. So I will just search my friend using his Facebook name, and I will click on his profile, cause this is the profile. And then over here, these are the things. What you can do is allow this person to also have full control. So if you want this person to have full control, you can turn this on. If you don't want him to have full control, just turn this off. But remember, if you give him access to full control, he can even delete your page. So you need to keep that in mind. Alright, so I trust this person, so I will do this, and I will click and give access. Once I do this, it's asking me to enter the password of my Facebook account. So after I enter the password of my Facebook account and click and confirm access, request will be sent to my friend. So if my friend accepts it, then he can have access to the page. But if he declines it, he will not. So it totally depends on him if he accepts it or not, right? But yeah, that's how we guys can add an editor to your Facebook page. And once you have access to my Facebook page, he can delete my page, or he can even upload photos, videos, read the message, reply to the message, and do stuff like that. So hope you understand. Hit the subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys next time.